Hello and welcome to Shelter Mode, the premier YouTube channel for shipping container living. In this video, we bring to you a two-story family home designed using 6 40-foot shipping containers to create a 5-bedroom house with floor plans. Stay tuned to find out more about this amazing shipping container home design. If you are looking for modern floor plans for container homes, a weekly update on case studies for most influential shipping container homes from around the world, plus detailed articles from our building guide for shipping container homes, feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel for these and more weekly videos. Check out our website sheltermode.com for lots of free resources, modern floor plans, and blueprints. If you like our videos plus our valuable content on shipping container living, feel free to support our channel on Patreon through the link in the description below. Without further ado, let's get started. On the design concept, this particular design is based on 6 40-foot shipping containers grouped in 3 pairs of 2 40-foot shipping containers each. The 2 pairs on the ground floor level are placed parallel to each other, set apart 1.2 meters and sheared horizontally to create an entrance porch on the front and a sheltered private outdoor dining at the back. The third pair of shipping containers is placed on top and sheared in such a way that it creates a small sheltered entrance porch on the front and a big cantilevered sheltered outdoor dining at the back. The topmost pair of containers is flanked with a covered outdoor deck. There's also provision for hot water, solar heating, and solar photovoltaic panels. What are the salient features we've managed to accommodate in this amazing shipping container design? From the front elevation, you have a small sheltered entrance porch from which you get into a gallery-style entrance lobby, from which you are able to access the private section of the house on the right and the public part of the house on the left. Immediately from the entrance, there is a small cloakroom which also serves as a bathroom for the guest bedroom. The guest bedroom is fully furnished with adequate wardrobe storage and a big full-height sliding glass door that forms a false balcony that gives you decent views facing the front of the house. Next, we have a big open-plan living space comprising of a kitchen, a dining, and a small lounge space. The kitchen is designed in such a way that it has a nice central island flanked by a single-walled kitchen countertop fitted with all the kitchen appliances, plus adequate overhead and under-the-counter storage. We have a sizable dining table in between the kitchen and the lounge space that can seat up to 8 depending on your configuration. The cozy lounge area is well lit by full-height sliding glass doors on the 3 sides of the lounge area, which also open up to private Juliet balconies on one end and a big family terrace with outdoor dining on the opposite end. On the private section of the house on the ground floor level, we have 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, and each of these bedrooms is ensuite. You can convert one of the bedrooms into a family playroom, or you even convert it into a laundry space or a utility room, depending on what you find appropriate. There is a small TV room, or what I would call an entertainment room for the house, where you can watch your movies, come again, or play some game of pool. A single flight wooden staircase leads you to the first floor level of the house. When you land on the first floor level, you find 2 spacious bedrooms, all en suite on this particular level. We have a big master bedroom with a mini lounge and a spacious bed area. There's also a walk-in closet and a nice bathroom space with a shower enclosed in a glass cubicle. The second bedroom is spacious enough to accommodate 2 big beds. From the staircase lobby on this level, you are able to access a big outdoor family terrace occupying the roof of one of the shipping containers below. This outdoor terrace is covered with a canvas to shield it from direct weather elements and also to give some design flair to this amazing shipping container house. On the interior design, as usual, you are encouraged to adopt a minimalist interior in each of the spaces to avoid cluttering the space with unnecessary furniture. This being a shipping container house, maximum space utilization is of essence, and therefore you are encouraged to try out transformative furniture that can allow you to use the space for more than one function. You are encouraged to use light-colored finishes on the walls and ceiling to make the spaces look bigger and brighter, helping to eliminate the claustrophobic feel of living in a shipping container house. When it comes to structure and modifications, apart from the open plan living space where the internal walls of the shipping containers were cut out, you will need to put additional reinforcement using steel sections for structural integrity. All the other spaces have optimal room sizes, and therefore they would require very minimal or no structural reinforcement at all. The original container cargo doors have been retained to create amazing Juliet balconies to the living room, bed space which can also serve as a family office on the opposite end of the ground floor, and providing private balcony space to the master bedroom on the first floor level. On the exterior design, you are encouraged to explore different materials, including different colors if you intend to paint your shipping containers. If you are using one-trip containers, you can retain its original colors and markings to preserve the maritime history and charm of your shipping containers. Feel free to check out our previous video on the types of exterior finishes used on shipping containers for more understanding. When it comes to outdoor spaces, as usual, you are encouraged to create sufficient outdoor living to complement the rather limited indoor living spaces because of the constricting dimensions of shipping containers. In this design, we provided an intimate outdoor dining area from the living space on the ground floor level. We also have Juliet balconies on all the major living spaces in the house, plus a generous outdoor terrace on top of the living room container modules to create an ideal family space for outdoor activities. You also need to observe good insulation of your shipping containers dictated by the type of climate where you intend to build. Which part of this design do you like the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comments section below. We have these and more other amazing shipping container homes designs on our website sheltermode.com. Feel free to check them out. You can also drop us an email of any inquiries concerning shipping container home designs. Living. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.